Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. English. Today, we're going to discuss about conjunctions. In this lesson, you will be able to learn and understand when to use the conjunctions and, or, and but. Are you ready? Let's read and analyze the following sentences. I prepared sandwich and cookies for you. You can watch television or read magazine while waiting. The food was cold but I still ate it. What do the words and, or, and but show? Which of them adds information or choice? Which shows an opposite idea? The words and, or, and but are conjunctions. What is conjunction? Conjunction. It connects words or groups of words or short sentences. The words and, or, and but are conjunctions or connecting words. Or. We use or to show a choice between two or more options. Example, you can watch television or read magazine while waiting. More examples of sentences using the conjunction or. What would you prefer, an ice cream or a cake? Which of these toys do you want to donate? The doll or the ball? And. We use and to combine similar ideas or to add information. Examples. I prepared sandwich and cookies for you. In this example, it combines similar ideas, sandwich and cookies. I will go to the mall and buy clothes. In this example, it adds information. Go to the mall and buy clothes. More examples of sentences using the conjunction and. My mom and dad are teachers. Everyone was singing and dancing. He turned off the television and went to bed. But. We use but to show a difference or an opposite idea. Example, the food is cold but I still ate it. More examples of sentences using the conjunction but. The woman looked scary, but she was friendly. Her writing is good, but her spellings are weak. Ethan fell down, but he did not get hurt. Let's have a recap. Conjunctions. It connects words or groups of words or short sentences. And. To combine similar ideas or to add information. Or. To show a choice between two or more options. But. To show a difference or an opposite idea. Write the missing conjunction to complete the sentence. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. Are you ready? Mary, Blanc, Joy are playing badminton. The correct answer, Mary and Joy are playing badminton. I am not a very good basketball player. Blanc, I always do my best. The correct answer is, I am not a very good basketball player, but I always do my best. I want to see a movie, Blanc, eat popcorn. The correct answer, I want to see a movie and eat popcorn. Would you like bananas? Blanc, do you prefer apples? The correct answer, would you like bananas or do you prefer apples? I like to eat pasta. Blanc, pizza is my favorite. And the answer is, I like to eat pasta, but pizza is my favorite. I will read a book. Blanc, I'll just watch TV. The correct answer, I will read a book or I'll just watch TV.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.